So early in the morning you wake up, it's the beginning of a very long day you're about to have. You quickly rush up, prepared for work, and you jump on the next available bus going to work. You get to work and it's a lot of work all day. You forget to eat until somewhere about 2 p.m. When you remember you have not eaten breakfast and you are beginning to have heartburn, your stomach is hurting. You quickly imagine, yes, let me go to Mama Basira, who sells beans, bomo, and pepper stew across the street. And you quickly rush there and eat a very large, good plate of beans, dodo, pepper soup, and bomo. You continue your work, and at the end of the day, you go home feeling very tired with body aches. You stop by at the chemist store and you begin to buy misi, the one that they miss diclofenac, ibuprofen, naproxen, and even Indoseed inside the same container. You get home and you swallow all these pills. Sometimes you even manage to drink little beer to make yourself happy. And some of us, you add small cigarettes. In the middle of the night, it is like your heart is on fire. You jump up and you begin to shout, Dr. NZ, wait. Before you even mention my name, please click on the subscribe button now because you will need this video and more videos like this from time to time to stay healthy and to stay informed on every single thing you need to know about your health and how to improve it. If that heartburn or chest pain I just described has ever happened to you, I'm sure you understand fully what I'm trying to describe. Yes, that is gastritis. Or if you are like Mrs. Amusa, you will say, you don't get ulcer. Oh. Yes, they call it ulcer on the street. So what are the common symptoms of this ulcer I'm talking about? The common symptoms could include nausea and sometimes even vomiting, continuous belching, and severe heartburn. Sometimes some persons run to the hospital almost naked, thinking they are going to die.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
And in some cases, they could even have reduced appetite. Well, whatever your symptoms are, let me tell you the common causes. One common cause is a bacteria known as Helicobacter pylori, but I won't discuss that today. I'll leave it some other time for us to talk about it. Let me talk about the common ones that you and I will face. A common cause for most of us is drugs. Yes, pain relief like ibuprofen, diclofenac, mefenamic acid, even piroxicam, what people call Felvin. They are one of the common causes of heartburn. Some other drugs like antibiotics like erythromycin can cause it as well, while sometimes tetracycline or even doxycycline can even cause it. Yes, I got you on that one. Aside drugs, caffeine. Yes, the common tea that we do every time and you enjoy yourself, coffee. Caffeine-containing drinks like coffee could also be a common cause of this heartburn. Now, another one, alcohol and smoking. This is very, very common. And you know the bad part. Most of us usually take a lot of alcohol and a lot of smoking, usually at bedtime, which is even more dangerous and can increase the risk of having this problem. So if you must take alcohol, take a little quantity and never at bedtime. If you must smoke, reduce the number of sticks and never at bedtime. Other causes are overeating. We eat excessively, and I'll tell you the reason. It's not your fault. It's because almost all day you didn't even have enough time to eat. And at the time you arrive at night, it is time for you to dine. It is time for you to have your dinner as a ceremony. So they line the table with all the food that you've mixed, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and you consume all as a single package. And when you go to bed after that, there's going to be trouble. Some foods are also notorious causes because they do not digest easily. One of them is beans, akara, moi moi. In fact, anything made of beans, they do not digest easily and they are a very common cause of heartburn. Other causes like fatty foods, French fries, and any form of fry, especially at bedtime, are other causes that you can see of dyspepsia. Also, excessive stress and overwork, which almost every day has become a norm for you and I, is also another cause of this heartburn, also known as ulcer. So what do I advise? I advise you eat small, frequent meals. Don't skip meals if possible. Also, reduce spicy food as well as fatty foods as much as you can. Reduce alcohol intake, and if you must take, please don't take it at bedtime. Also, you can reduce your smoking, and if you must smoke, never at bedtime. You can also replace your alcohol with water or even milk. Reduce any form of fizzy drink. You know fizzy drinks, all those drinks that when you open it does every form of carbonated drinks, take them out of your diet. If you must eat late into the night, do not eat a heavy meal. And please do not lie to sleep within 2 to 3 hours after a heavy meal. Because if you do, it is this pain that is going to wake you up most likely from your sleep. Even if it is difficult for me to tell you this, I will also tell you, try as much as possible to reduce the extent of overwork. I know you want money, and try to reduce stress. And if this pain seems to happen in the night when you cannot approach any hospital immediately, take some antacids. Antacids are sold over the counter, but make sure you know the exact amounts to take so you don't overtake it. If the symptoms persist or it gets worse, there's a possibility it is a severe type, or it may even be something else like a heart problem. Immediately call for help. Go to the hospital as soon as you can. I know your sister needs this video, and your sister and your brother have not gotten access to this video, but you have. So share the link of this video to them, and remember to like this video. If you want more content as it, watch this video now, and I see you on the next one.